Hello students, today in this video I will give you the holiday homework for your summer vacation. So your homework is you have to make notes on sets. Notes means you have to write what is set, definition of set, then representation of sets. What are the two ways to represent a set? As I already explained you, the two methods to represent a set are roster method and set builder method. So both the methods you have to write. You have to give the examples also of both the methods. So you have to make notes. Notes means you have to write the definition, you have to write the examples also. Now third point is types of sets. How many types of sets are there? Those types you have to write and you have to define them also. Types, which types of sets are there? Finite set, infinite set, empty set. These all types of sets you have to write their name and you have to define them with the examples. Fourth point is Venn diagram. What is Venn diagram? The diagram used to represent two sets is known as Venn diagram. So the definition with proper example you have to show. Representation of two sets by a diagram. Now two ways are there to represent the Venn diagram. First one is disjoint. Disjoint means when nothing will be common in two sets, then both sets we will draw with a separate circle A, B. So this is the example of disjoint. Another type is overlapping. Overlapping. You can take the help of internet also. You can search on Google. You will get in detail about these. Disjoint, first type is disjoint, in which nothing will be common in two sets. Another one is overlapping. Overlapping means if anything will be common, if any element will be common in two sets, then we have to make overlapping figure. Overlapping is like this. Both the circle will cut each other. A set, B set. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 is common in both. So 4 we have to fill in between. So such figure is known as overlapping figure. So you can take the help of internet, you can search on Google, because in your textbook content is not that much given. So you can take the help of internet also. So these are the points which on which you have to make the notes. Now another one is you have to do all the solved example of chapter number 1, that is sets, and chapter number 2, integers. All the solved examples you have to do. These all work you have to do in your fair notebook.